This is my illustration of an ancient Greek myth known as the Gegenees. The Gegenees were six-armed giants who attacked Jason and the Argonauts. In ancient times there was a place called Propontis, what is now known as the Sea of Marmora. The southern shore was called Mysia, settled by a people called Doliones. There was a mountain called Bear Mountain, and here lived a group of savages known as the Gegenees. They were fearsome, six-armed monsters, but they never troubled the Doliones people, as they were protected by Poseidon, god of the sea. Jason and the Argonauts came to this area in their travels, and they climbed the mountain to see their way forward. The Gegenees caught wind and rushed in to block the path of the harbor with boulders to trap the Argonauts. Heracles happened to be in the area, and he jumped into action with his bow to take down a great number of the monsters. They fought back with their many arms, slinging sharp rocks and giving Heracles a challenge. Just then the Argonauts were returning from the blocked path, and they joined Heracles in battle, slaughtering the Gegenees. The Gegenees were finished, and they lay dead on the shore as food for birds and fish.